Big breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has withdrawn protection from arrest for former Kolkata top cop Rajeev Kumar in the Saradha chit fund scam. The CBI has accused Kumar of tampering with chit fund scam evidence to shield powerful politicians. The Supreme Court has also stayed the operation of its order for 7 days to allow Kumar to take appropriate steps. This is the big news that's coming in right now. These are the updates that are coming in from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court withdrawing the protection from arrest to top cop Rajeev Kumar. The CBI accusing him of tampering with chit fund scam evidence to shield powerful politicians. The Supreme Court has also stayed the operation of its order for 7 days. A massive setback to former Kolkata police Chief Rajeev Kumar. He's been given 7 days to approach the High Court for relief. Now, the interim protection has in fact been lifted. It's a big development in the Saradha chit fund probe coming in from the Supreme Court. We're shortly going to get my colleague and Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja from the Supreme Court. But it's a big setback for Rajeev Kumar in the Apex Court and, of course, for Mamata Banerjee. The CBI given the go-ahead to arrest and interrogate Rajeev Kumar. A massive setback for the former Kolkata police chief Rajeev Kumar. The Supreme Court staying the operation, however, of its order for 7 days so that he can take the appropriate action. Right, this is big news coming in. The Supreme Court withdrawing protection from arrest to Rajeev Kumar. A big development coming in the Saradha chit fund scam case. The CBI accusing Rajeev Kumar of tampering with the chit fund scam evidence to shield powerful politicians. The Supreme Court, however, also staying its operation of its order for 7 days to allow Kumar to take appropriate steps. Right, this is a big update coming in from the Supreme Court. Let's remember, all eyes were on the Supreme Court decision, but now the Supreme Court taking a major decision. The Supreme Court withdrawing protection from arrest. The CBI can in fact arrest Rajeev Kumar. Earlier in the day, we did in fact break news on Mirror Now, where sources were telling us that a DSP rank officer from the CBI Kolkata unit is in Delhi and will be at the Supreme Court. An Anti-Corruption Bureau Delhi unit officer is also on standby. Now, we had said that if the court grants permission for custodial interrogation, which they have, then the ACB unit will be going to Bengal Bhavan to arrest the officer. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja now joining me live from the Supreme Court. Meenakshi, take us through the details.
Well, Sanjana, at the outset, how it will play out, where the CBI will go to arrest, because remember, he is presently in Delhi because he reported back to his nodal authority, which is the MHA in this case. That will play out. But the big breaking news here is how the Supreme Court has gone ahead and withdrawn the protection which it had earlier granted to West Bengal top cop Rajeev Kumar. Supreme Court has also said that the operation of this vacation of stay will come into effect in 7 days' time. In that interim 7 days, Supreme Court has given opportunity to Rajeev Kumar to explore his other legal remedies in the face of Supreme Court withdrawing this protection from arrest. So this is clearly a legal matter which has wide-scale political implications given the soaring temperatures that are existing in the present climate between West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Prime Minister Modi. Remember, one critical phase to Lok Sabha 2019 still remains, and that is the reason we have seen so much ante being upped on both sides. Yesterday, we have seen complete spitting of fire that has been exchanged between the two, and this order of the Supreme Court bolsters now the central government's argument somewhat, which will now go on to say as to how consistently it has maintained that Rajeev Kumar has operated out of bounds. He has stepped out of the jurisdiction at one point in time when he openly sided with West Bengal Chief Minister by sitting on the dharna protest with her. That was the time that the central government was mighty bothered, and our viewers will recall the MHA had also taken umbrage to the fact and had issued some strictures against Rajeev Kumar.
Right.
But ultimately, we have seen this matter be argued on merits, and somewhere the Supreme Court is of the opinion that indeed there exists some very serious material which warrants or mandates for a custodial interrogation as is being sought for by the CBI. So Rajeev Kumar is in Delhi. The CBI headquarters is located in Delhi. All that the officers now need to do is work out the modalities pertaining to his arrest. But remember, the impact of this order of withdrawal of protection from arrest will kick in 7 days from now. So 7 days window has been given by the Supreme Court to Rajeev Kumar to explore his other legal remedies in the light of the Supreme Court now vacating this protection from arrest which it had earlier granted. Well, we will talk a little bit about this case and the numerous twists and turns and the political import of it, and of course how it has played out legally in the Supreme Court. Remember, the Supreme Court has vacated the protection that it had granted earlier to Rajeev Kumar from arrest. With that protection now being taken away, the Supreme Court additionally has also granted him 7 days time to explore his other legal recourses, which we have some early indications will include knocking on the doors of the competent High Court to again urge for a protection from arrest. However, this is a case which has wide-scale political implications, given the fact that we will be seeing the last critical phase of polling, and it is playing out politically, because this was the first flashpoint between Prime Minister Modi and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, which had escalated into a complete flashpoint. And after this incident, really, the relations between the central government and West Bengal government could never really get back to normalcy. We have seen a complete upping of the ante between both the centre and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and Rajeev Kumar has taken a lot of brunt of all that has transpired, and today's developments will really add some muscle to CBI going forward. But remember, that window of 7 days still is there for Rajeev Kumar to explore, which means that CBI cannot be really going ahead and arresting him forthwith. But that apart, this will bolster the arguments of the central government that it indeed has enough serious material to warrant for a custodial interrogation, as it has been looking to plead before the Supreme Court. And Rajeev Kumar is one police official who made his allegiance very apparent and known, much to the chagrin of even the MHA when he sided and sat on that protest dharna site with the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, so much so that the MHA at that point in time took note of it and had cracked the whip, put in for place certain set of directions for its officers to comply with when they're deployed across India. So clearly this is not just a legal case, this is a case with wide-scale political implications, and now Rajeev Kumar clearly on the back foot because no relief coming from the Supreme Court for him.
Right, Meenakshi, thanks for bringing us up to speed with all the updates there from the Supreme Court.